In this video, we'll show you how to make a necklace, a geometrical one. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We are also involved in slow fashion. We recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose a lot of materials in our work. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Please watch the video until the end so we can inspire you on how to use our products. Today for this project we're going to use lace, which is this one, a circuit lace. We are going to use this lace flower. We are going to use these metal beads. They're about 7-8 millimeters. And what else we're going to use? Yes, we're going to use jump rings, 2 different sizes. And we're going to use a clasp as usual. We are going to use needle and some thread, which is this one. Yes, and we are going to use tweezers, cutters, fabric cutters, scissors. We're going to use glue, craft glue, and I'm going to use the lighter to get the edges of these. So let's start. So we just finished this project. We did make a few changes. So it's a necklace, a geometrical and floral necklace made with lace and lace flowers, and also a satin ribbon. Thanks for watching. Stay wonderful and humble.